Hello, I'm Eva from the Vector support team, and today I'm going to show you how to start working with your new Vector software product. Only two steps are required: the software installation and the license activation. The starting point for this is a delivery email. You can start the software installation by clicking on a download link that you find in the PDF attachment delivery note. After the download, you will be guided through the software installation by a wizard. Please note that the setup must be started with administrator rights. After the installation is completed, we come to the license activation and need an activation key as well as a license carrier. You can choose between your operation computer, a compatible network interface, and a Vector keyman as a license carrier. This delivery note PDF contains the activation key. We copy it to the clipboard and open the Vector license client from the Windows Start menu. Click Activate and paste the copied activation key from the clipboard. Click on Load to select the desired licenses. Select the license carrier on which you want to store the license identifications. We choose our VN1630A network interface. With Activate, we start the activation process. The green check mark indicates a successful activation. These were the steps to set up your Vector software and license. This process works very similar for all supported Vector software products. More information you will find on our knowledge base under vector.com/firststeps.